Have you ever imagined how your life would look if, in just a few months, you could triple your income? Does that sound impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll share with you the 5 daily habits that can completely transform your financial life in no time. Stick with me until the end, because the last habit is the most powerful of all and can deliver instant results. First of all, I want you to know that I understand your reality. The feeling that money is never enough, the frustration of working so hard yet seeing no progress, and that persistent thought that wealth is unattainable for ordinary people. But the truth is, what separates you from financial success is not luck, inheritance, or a $1 million idea. It's the habits you practice every single day. Over the next few minutes, I'll introduce you to 5 simple yet incredibly effective habits. These habits are inspired by people who started from nothing and achieved incredible financial results. For each habit, you'll learn what it is, why it's so important, and most importantly, how to implement it in your life in a practical way. Let's start with the first habit, daily financial planning. Have you ever heard the phrase, if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there? The same applies to your finances. Planning your day doesn't mean complicating your routine, but rather setting clear priorities and taking control of your money. Take 5 minutes every morning to review your financial goals and plan your actions. For example, if your goal is to save for investments, define the exact amount you need to set aside that week. There are plenty of free tools to help, such as budgeting apps and simple spreadsheets. With daily planning, you turn your financial vision into a clear and achievable roadmap. The second habit is controlling your spending. Many people believe that earning more money automatically solves financial problems, but the truth is that without control, even a high income can slip through your fingers. Here's a practical tip. Track all your expenses for a month. Yes, absolutely everything. This will show you exactly where you're overspending and give you clarity on what can be reduced. And I'm not talking about cutting everything and living in scarcity, but prioritizing what truly matters. Use tools like financial apps to help you monitor and categorize your expenses easily. Now let's move on to the third habit, dedicating 30 minutes a day to learning. Yes, just 30 minutes. It might seem like a small amount of time, but the impact is enormous. Financially successful individuals like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk are avid readers because they understand that knowledge is one of the most valuable assets. Choose a book, a podcast, or even a channel like this one that teaches you something new about finance, business, or personal development. If you start today, imagine how much you could learn in a month, 6 months, or a year. This habit will keep you updated, motivated, and ready to seize new opportunities. The fourth habit is intentional networking. You may have heard the phrase, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And it's true. The people around you directly influence your mindset and, consequently, your results. So start building an intentional network. Attend events, join online groups, or participate in communities that share your goals. For example, if you want to learn about investments, look for groups focused on that topic. Don't be afraid to start conversations or ask for advice. The key to networking is to add value first. When you build strong relationships, opportunities naturally follow. We've now reached the 5th and most powerful habit, consistent action. Knowing what needs to be done is useless if you don't act. The difference between those who achieve their financial goals and those who don't lies in consistency. Start with small steps. If you want to save, set aside a small amount every day. If you want to learn something new, study a little each day. Consistency builds habits, and habits create extraordinary results. To help you get started, I propose a challenge. Choose one of the habits we discussed today and practice it every day for 30 days. By the end of that period, you'll see how this small change can make a massive impact. Now that you know the 5 habits that can triple your income, I want you to imagine how your life will look if you start applying them today. More financial freedom, less stress over bills, and the possibility of achieving dreams that once seemed distant. Remember, The power of transformation is in your hands. And here's a special request. Comment below which of these habits you'll start implementing right now. Share this video with a friend or family member who also needs to hear this message. And if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Believe me, your financial life can change completely. It all begins with the habits you choose to practice starting today. Let's embark on this journey to success together.